So there is a pulled pork sandwich with our fries. Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video I'm gonna make pulled pork. So I started it actually 3 days ago. We'll cut back to 3 days ago and I'll show you how I made my cherry barbecue sauce. So good. I'm going to show you how to make cherry barbecue sauce. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add half of a large onion and a tablespoon of garlic. Onions are nice and translucent and starting to brown a little bit. And we'll add all the rest of the ingredients. 2 cups of thawed cherries and a can of tomato soup, a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, tablespoon Worcestershire, and our spice combination here. Bring this to a boil. Now that our barbecue sauce is boiling, we will turn it down and let it simmer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, and holy moly, that is a good looking sauce. Look how deep that color is. Well, we will turn it off and let it cool down. Oh my goodness. Woo. That's good stuff right there. And now we blend it all up. You need to store this in the refrigerator for at least 3 days before using it. Let all those flavors meld together. Now we'll go to yesterday and I'll show you how I did my rub. I'm going to show you the barbecue rub I'm going to put on a pork shoulder for pulled pork sandwiches. We'll start by combining a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 teaspoon kosher salt, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now we will rub our shoulder. We'll wrap it in plastic. Okay, here is our pork shoulder seasoned in our barbecue rub. It's going to sit overnight and we will start roasting it tomorrow. So let's get started. I want this to have a nice smoky flavor to it. We're going to start by searing it. Those coals were way hotter than I expected, and that escalated. Okay, so not 5 minutes on each side. I would say that I was trying about, after the first side of 5 minutes, ended up being way too long. I did about 2 minutes on each side until the flames were just stupid. So I quit. Done with that. We're going to half 4 onions. We will put our pork shoulder in there, fat layer up, and we are ready to go to the hot coals. I will roast this for 7 hours with 8 on bottom and 16 on top. If you would like to know how I figure the briquette placement for temperature control, click on the video description. And this is going to be my life for the next 7 hours. At the 15 and 45 minute mark, I will start new charcoal, and at the 30 and top of the hour marks, I will change out the coals. And on all of those 15-minute marks, I am going to rotate the oven and the lid. I am going to make crinkle cut French fries. We need to start cutting potatoes. Ta-da! I have my 5-quart outdoor Dutch oven, but I've got the pegs just stuck down in there. I have my bacon grease from making bacon earlier. Have our seasoning all here. There's a lot of seasoning, so just check out the list or click the video description. Get that all whisked together so it's ready whenever they come out. That's not going to be enough oil, so we'll add some vegetable oil. I've heated the oil a few minutes on the high heat. I think it is ready. See some movement in there, so when the oil starts moving, it makes me think that it's probably ready. So the pulled pork turned out excellent. It was a big disappointment that I charred all the onions. They were completely unusable. The fries, again, turned out great, and that sauce is killer. So there is a pulled pork sandwich with our fries. Those are so good. Okay, I've been looking forward to this sandwich all day. That sauce is so good. And the pork is very tender. And the yellow jackets want to eat it all. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. So we'll cut back 3 days ago now, and I'll show you how to make. We'll cut back to 3 days ago.